Hello everyone, welcome to solve this nice geometry problem. So here we have, this is a right triangle in which this is any unknown angle and this angle is the right angle, and we have the length of its sides of this right triangle are 2 to the power of x, 4 to the power of x and 8 to the power of x respectively. So here in this problem we need to solve this for the values of x. So first you focus in this right triangle. This is the right triangle. So and we know about the right triangle, the Pythagoras theorem hold in right triangle, and you very well know about this Pythagoras theorem. It is stated as hypotenuse square equals to base square plus perpendicular square. This is called the Pythagoras theorem, and in the diagram you see here, the side opposite to the right angle is called the hypotenuse, and the side we join these two angles is called the base, and this side is called the perpendicular or altitude of this right triangle. So here you see that we have the value of h is 8 to the power of x. We substitute the values of h, b and p here, and it will be written as the value of h is 8 to the power of x and its whole square equals to the value of b is 4 to the power of x and its whole square plus the value of p is 2 to the power of x and its whole square. So further we need a more simplification to find the values of x. Here we need to use the nice algebraic formula. You know that if we have a to the power of m to the power of n, it is equals to a to the power of m times of n. So you see that this is very interesting problem because this problem involves the three branches of mathematics. It involves the geometry, it involves the algebra, as well as it involves the exponential functions 2 to the power of x, 4x and 8x. Okay, this means that we saw this is the very interesting problem. And now further you see here we have more interesting things at the end of this problem. So that we see here, we first we write these we apply this formula on here, and it will be written as 8 to the power of 2x equals to 4 to the power of 2x plus 2 to the power of 2x. Here we just apply this nice formula on each of these terms, and after that we write 8 as the prime factor form. So we know that the prime factors of 8 are 2 cubed and its exponent is 2x equals to, we write this 4 into the exponential form and we write it as 2 squared and its whole power 2x plus 2 to the power of 2x. So here we again apply this nice formula on each of these terms. So it will be written as 2 to the power of 2 times of 3 becomes here 6x, and this will be equals to 2 to the power of 2 times of 2x equals to 4x and plus 2 to the power of 2x. Okay, so further here we need some simplifications, and now here we rewrite this equation as we write it as but first here you see that we have 2 to the power of 2x term present on each of these terms. So here we divide both of the sides by 2 to the power of 2x. Okay, when you divide both of the sides by 2 to the power of 2x, it will be written as 2 to the power of 2x. Here we divide it as 2 to the power 2x, and we divide this term also as 2 to the power of 2x. Okay, and now you see here the bases on these two terms are same, so we subtract this 2x on the up terms and it will be written as 2 to the power of 6x minus 2x equals to 2 to the power of 4x minus 2x and plus 2 to the power of 2x minus 2x. Here we use the nice algebraic formula. You know about this formula. If we have a to the power of m over a to the power of n, if you have bases on these two terms are same but exponents are different, then you subtract the exponent in the denominator term in this way, a to the power of m minus n. Here we use this nice exponential law on each of these terms. Okay, so here we need some simplifications, and we write it as 2 to the power of 4x equals 2 to the power of 2x plus this will be equals to 2 to the power of 0, because 2x minus 2x becomes here 0. And after that, we rewrite this equation as in this form. We move this x inside of this term, and it will becomes here 2 to the power of x and its power 4 equals to, in other words, we write this expression as 2 to the power of 2x and its whole square. Okay, because we have this is the term 2 to the power of 2x. So now our next claim is to convert this exponential equation into the quadratic form, so that we write this as 2 to the power, we write this 2 to the power 4x as 2 to the power of 2x and its whole square, because this 2 times of 2 becomes again 4, and we write this as 2 to the power of 2x plus this 2 to the power of 0 equals to 1. We know that something power 0 equals to 1. Okay, so here we need to take some substitutions, and we write it as y is equals to 2 to the power of 2x. So we call this is equation number 1. We substitute y equals this in equation number 1, so that our equation number 1 would be written as, after applying this value, so our equation number 1 becomes y square equals to y plus 1. Okay, so further you see here this is will becomes quadratic form. Now we write into the standard form. We move this y plus 1 in the left hand side, and it will be written as y square minus y minus 1 equals to 0. So here we need to solve this quadratic equation by using the quadratic formula. So we know about the quadratic formula. First we write the coefficients of this term, and its coefficients are a equals to 1, b equals to minus 1, and c is equals to minus 1. And we know about the quadratic formula. It is stated as y equals to minus b plus minus square root of b square minus 4 times of AC divided by 2 times of A. This is the our quadratic formula. And now here we need to substitute the values of A, B and C in this nice formula. Okay, so we write it as the value of b is minus 1 plus minus square root of b square. B is minus 1 square minus 4 times of a is 1 and c is minus 1, and it is divided by 2 times of a. So here our a is also 1. So further we need more simplification, and it will be written as y is equals to minus times of minus becomes plus 1 plus minus square root of minus 1 square equals to 1, and minus times of minus becomes plus 4 divided by 2. So this will be equals to 1 plus minus square root of 5 divided by 2. So here we just take the positive value y equals to 1 plus square root of 5 over 2. We reject the negative value because of we know that y be the one side length of a given triangle. So we know that length cannot be negative, so that we rejected this negative value and we proceed here only the positive value. So you see here this will becomes the golden ratio. Okay, this is a golden ratio, and now we proceed here this one for the value of y. So we back substitute the value of y, and we substitute we take our y equals to 2 to the power of 2x. This is equals to 1 plus square root of 5 divided by 2. So in order to find the value of x, we need to take log on both of the sides. So it will be written as log of 2 to the power of 2x equals to log of 1 plus square root of 5 divided by 2. Here we apply the property of log, and we move this 2x in the front of this log, and it will be written as 2x into log 2 equals to log of 1 plus square root of 5 divided by 2. So here we move this 2 times of log 2 to the right hand side, and it will be written as x is equals to log of 1 plus square root of 5 divided by 2 over 2 times of log 2. Okay, so we write this expression as in this way. So we write it as log of base 4 and this is 1 plus square root of 5 divided by 2. So this is the final value of x in this problem. And thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos.